Yo, what is up? This is Simply Supreme. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And if you clicked on this video, you probably want to see the Yeezy Oreo 350 V2s on feet. So let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into this. I hope you guys liked that footage. If you really liked it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. But before you go, make sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. I did the Yeezy Oreo on feet, so make sure to go check that out. And I'm going to be giving away a sneaker when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you go check that out. Sign up to get your free sneaker. But that wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching.